Hey traders, it's John Howell here from tradinginvesting4u.com, and in this video we're going to look at the S&P 500. Lots of things are happening right now. Volatilities are really picking up. Where's it going? Is it going up, going down? We will see in a minute. Before I get into the charts, just want you to know that this Tuesday night, Australian Eastern Standard Time, 8 p.m. this Tuesday night, Australian Eastern Standard Time, I'm running a free cash flow strategies training event. This is a full training event that'll likely go for between 90 minutes to 2 hours long, because it is a training event. You're going to learn strategies, you're going to learn techniques, you're going to learn charting patterns, you're going to learn so much on this training event, and I only plan to do this once. So click on that link below right now to go register for that. Right, let's get back into this charting video now. So what we're looking at right now is the S&P 500 daily chart, and you can see I have this big line going across here, plus this arrow. Well, what this arrow simply represents is this. If I just move my screen up a bit more here, and we can see here that if we scroll this over here, that's basically where this this sort of resistance line here. You can see that the overall resistance here. You can see that we had the resistance there, had a whole bunch of resistance through there, and through there. So that whole bar through there represents what we call a support area. Not just a line, but it's an area. You can see it's from there to there. That whole area there is one support and resistance. You can see even here that the market rejected off through there, ran up, and then came down and bounced off there. So this line here is becoming support and also a resistance and support. So let me take everything off the screen now. And so that's what that line represents there. Moving forward now into the shorter time frame, we just looked at the bigger time for what we're looking at, probably maybe a good couple of years worth of data there. Now we're going to look at the last sort of 3 to 4 months and see what's happening with this. So we now know that this level through here is a big area of support. We can see here that it's that. So I'm just going to take that off the screen now, and I'm going to remove that arrow. Okay, let's see what's happening here. So now we can see exactly what's going on. We can see overall that if I get my support and resistance line, we can see that this overall support line through here that's all the support through there. On a short-term basis, we have a bit of support through there, and we have a support through here as well too. You can see the market's bouncing off and sort of holding this level through here now. So this overall support line here is doing exactly that. It's looking at this level of support there. But what's also interesting is this. If we have a look at this, we're also presenting ourselves with a parallel trend line. Let me show you what I mean here. See if I can find that level there. There is there. So let me just bring this over here for a minute. See if I can just drag this out through here. And I'm just going to extend that up through there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create this parallel trend line through here. And there we go. Okay. So let me just see if I can just see which one's the best. From that one there. Is that one the better line? Yeah, there we go. That's the better line through there. Okay. So if we see this line through here, you can see we touches here, and almost touches here. So we're in a big overall parallel channel right now. Okay, we're in a massive channel right now, and right now we're actually at a bit of support line. Okay, we're at a massive support line where we are right now. You can see where it is there, and what we're likely to do is we're likely to run back up. Now here's the interesting thing. We're likely to run back up, but we've got a major resistance. See this level through here? See how this market sort of stopped through there and it stopped through there? Well, that whole area is what we call resistance now. And as you can see here on this bar, is it ran up, failed, came down, and closed there. Okay, closed there. So it actually failed at that level there on a short-term basis. Okay, we look at the bigger term basis. Look at the short-term basis. This is at resistance now. So if this does hold where we are right now, and this resistance does hold, then we're likely to come down and spend a bit more time to the downside moving forward. Okay, so that's what I see happening for tomorrow night. If we do hold this resistance, I'm going to probably have another big down day tomorrow. So let's see what happens. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. That's where we are right now, resistance. Let's see what happens tomorrow. I will speak to you very shortly. Anyway, no matter what happens, come down to the website. Click on that link below right now to come to my once-off free training event. Learn strategies and techniques, and you're going to learn so much information on this when it comes to the 5 top charting patterns to use to take your future out of the market. Strategies that help you potentially generate an income without having to pick the right direction. Okay, and why people lose money in the markets. There's so much information. Anyway, click on the link below right now, and on the very next page you see all the information that's going to be taught on this once-off free training event. I'm out of here, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. No matter what happens, say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and that is, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.